Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply contrast themes on Windows 11. So if you need or if you want to enable these contrast themes, you can try to go to the settings by click on start icon and click on settings. Here you can accessibility, you can click this option. And here we go. Under color filters, there is a contrast themes, color themes for low vision and light sensitivity. So if you have this problem, you can use this as more distinct colors to make text and application easier to see. So this is the preview. There is aquatic, a desert, a dusk and night sky. Here you can apply it by press left alt left shift and print screen to turn a contrast theme on or off. Here is the aquatic. You can edit like the background. You can choose the background, text, hyperlink, inactive text, selected text and button text. Here you can adjust or you can edit the contrast theme. Select a color square to customize your contrast color here. And also there's a desert, night sky. Let's try the night sky and apply. So you can see this is the contrast theme. There is no background here. And here we go. You can go to the default by click none and apply. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.